Hi, my name is Karim Fadel. I'm Vice President of Business Engineering for the Regulatory Agency Programs. Coffee, sometimes Red Bull. I ski, I water ski, I snow ski, and I scuba dive. I think when I was growing up, I had the opportunity to travel quite a bit. Top of the world, bottom of the ocean. I'd say take more risks, don't be afraid to fail. COVID was a big hit for me because I define an energized environment in terms of being together and feeding off of each other's energy and inspiration and taking risks. We invested in AI early on. We built a platform for all of our partners, all of our employees to test, to play, to explore, to envision, to inspire, and then innovate and bring that innovation to our clients. And it was because we enabled the entire workforce that we now have a competitive edge. One of the most powerful aspects of this program is that it's role-based. It's also level-based, and it aligns with the 4 E's of AI maturity. And so no matter what your function or your level within CGI, whether you're an entry level in HR or a business unit leader, this program is designed for you and custom made for you. All of the classes and the courses were picked by AI experts within CGI. What's kept me at CGI is the culture, the people, and the opportunities. Thanks for having me.